Oh! 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 Naiwan yata ako dun ah. Ka-EV, i-test drive natin yung acceleration nitong BYD Han. Okay? Based on the brochure, 3.8 seconds or 3.9? 3.9 seconds, 0 to 100. So, yan ang ating i-test ngayon. Alright. Park.
Squeeze on the left.
Ay, squeeze. Okay. Alright. Sige. Go. Kinakabahan ako. Alright.
Then we'll turn right.
The handling is good. Ay, alam mo, sakal pa. Sir, seatbelt ka, sir. Okay, ang nakapansin-pansin dito, kita mo pala dito yung meron siyang heads-up display, no? So, ayan o.
Here on the right.
Okay.
Go here.
Then,
Thank you, Jordan.
alright.
Straight and we'll line up at the two points.
Okay. This is it.
We'll stop there.
Yes.
Straight. There you go. Okay. And then we'll turn on the kind of like a launch control, but a 0 to 100 timer. Sorry, you hold that for 2 seconds.
Hold that for 3 seconds.
And then wait for the screen to hold it back until the screen changes.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
So this is supposedly giving us maximum power. Dito, may tao dito.
Alam mo, sino pala na po?
Sorry, guys.
Okay lang.
So we have it on 0 to 100 timer. Now you don't have to do the whole brake and gas. Just floor it, and then at the blue cones, I want you to lift.
So, apakan ko lang.
It's full all the way to the floor.
Okay.
And then at the blue, lift off, and then gently on the brakes to slow the car.
Sige.
So 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! Naiwan yata ako dun ah. Grabe.
Pag-take off yung aeroplano.
Oh!
Ganun yung feeling.
Actually, kinabahan ako. One more. Joke lang.
Parang siyang roller coaster.
Ay, ano pala?
Wow.
Nakakalimutan kong i-push yung sa gilid. So, iba-iba kasi yung mga cambio ng mga electric. Meron dito. So, pag hindi ka pamilya.
Yeah. It gets, you have to get used to it.
Grabe ka-EV. Yung pakiramdam na naiiwan yung kaluluwa mo. So, yung may gulat factor siya kapag talagang pinush mo yung full acceleration niya. Grabe. At kinabahan ako doon. Ay, grabe. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, BYD. And let's go.
At boss, testing natin kung malakas sa brakes.
Enjoy.
Asan na ako?
Wala. Hindi mo lang kilala yung mga tao.
Dito pala ako. Kung interesado ka sa mga electric vehicle na katulad nito, please subscribe sa ating channel. Scroll mo na rin ang ating video section, baka dyan mo na makita ang bagay na EV na para sa iyo. Please paki-like na rin ang video na iyong pinapanood bilang suporta at tulong para sa pag-build up po ng ating channel.